Welcome to the future of automobiles. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Suyu Lin, and I'm honored to introduce to you one of Apple's most ambitious projects yet, the Apple Car Development Project. Over the course of this presentation, we'll discuss our goals, strategies, and the exciting journey that lies ahead as we aim to redefine the future of electric vehicles. The purpose of the Apple Car project is bold and transformative. We're not just building a car, we're creating a streamless extension of the Apple ecosystem that redefines the driving experience. By merging cutting-edge autonomous technology, sustainability, and user-focused design, we will set new standards for electric vehicles. This project will fill the gaps in the market, offering a revolutionary, eco-friendly, and technology-rich vehicle for the future. Apple's journey began in 1976, pioneering personal computing. Fast forward to today, and we're a $3 trillion powerhouse leading the world in innovation with products like the iPhone, Mac, and iPad. Now, under Tim Cook's leadership, we're extending our expertise into the automotive industry. Just as we've transformed the communication and personal tech, we're ready to transform transportation. The Apple Car will embody our values of sustainability, quality, and innovation.
Project objective, our roadmap to success. To successfully bring the Apple Car to the market, we've laid out several key objectives. Market analysis. We will conduct an in-depth analysis of the current electric vehicle market to identify unmet needs and gaps where Apple can succeed. Research and development. Our R&D efforts will focus on autonomous driving, energy efficiency, and design innovation. Production and manufacturing. Developing a sustainable, high-quality production strategy is vital to maintaining Apple's standard of excellence. Marketing strategy. Crafting a bold marketing strategy to position Apple Car as the top premium tech-forward electric vehicle. Go-to market, finalizing sales channels, dealership partnerships, and leveraging our retail strength, including our Apple stores. Sustainability, ensuring that every aspect of the Apple Car, from the materials to energy use, meets the highest sustainable standards. Market analysis. Identifying the opportunities, we have identified key trends in the electric vehicle market. Consumers are increasingly demanding vehicles that are not only eco-friendly, but also intelligent. The gaps in the current market include a lack of seamless integration between the vehicle and the consumer ecosystem and limited high-end technology forward options. This is where the Apple Car will shine. It will be the first to fully synchronize with the Apple system from the iPhone to iCloud, creating a user experience unlike any other and never experienced before. We have also conducted a SWOT analysis of our competitive position. Now let's take a look at our strength. Brand loyalty. Apple's global reputation and customer loyalty are unparalleled. Technological innovation. Our expertise in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and autonomous systems will drive the Apple Car's development. Sustainability. Apple's long-standing commitment to sustainability will be reflected in every aspect of the Apple Car. However, we must also be aware of our weaknesses, which include late entry into the market and the high costs associated with the development. With limited automotive experience and dependence on third-party partnerships. However, the opportunities lie in the rapidly growing electric vehicle market and the rising demand for autonomous driving capabilities. Meanwhile, the threats include intense competition from established electric vehicle players like Tesla and regulatory hurdles in the automotive industries, and economic downturns. However, we plan to use our strengths and opportunities to mitigate the weaknesses and the threats.
Let's take a look at the key deliverables of the Apple Car project. As part of the first stage, we would work towards concept development. In this stage, we would create an initial draft and conduct in-depth market research to define the project scope. The next stage is prototype design. Here, we would be creating detailed CAD models and engineering blueprints. As part of the regulatory approvals, we would be securing necessary certifications and compliance with global standards. As part of manufacturing plans, we would be establishing production strategies and facility requirements. As part of marketing strategy, we would be crafting brand messaging, target market analysis, and launch campaigns. And finally, as part of production launch, we would be commencing mass production and distribution to the market. Now, let's take a look at the different research and development phases. In the start of 2023, a detailed market analysis was conducted to identify key trends. In the month of April 2023, detailed CAD models for automotive design were developed, and this was essential for also performing engineering tests. In the month of July 2023, the prototypes were tested for performance evaluation in order to test the design viability. Now, based on the prototype design, feedback was gathered from focused groups for user insights. In late 2023, the designs were refined based on user feedback and data. Let's take a look at the key innovation areas that have helped in shaping the future of Apple Car technology. A large part of it is contributing towards autonomous driving technology, followed by powertrain development, in-car user experience, and safety features and compliance. Now, I would like to hand it over to Judith to take it on from here. Thank you.
So for the project scope and production, so being in scope for the production of this Apple car, we have to analyze the trends in electric vehicles and understand the consumer expectation, and while identifying the gaps, and as well as the R&D in autonomous system, battery and technology, and AI-based driving systems. And it is also good to create an idea and working prototype of the same Apple car that reflects on the exact Apple design. And the language and technology capabilities have to be in place just so that consumers and users can be able to understand effectively what the Apple car is all about. And we have to develop and source the necessary infrastructure and partnership and stakeholders for the mass production. And we have to ensure that this Apple car is going to adhere to the legal and regulatory standards and emissify the safety and emissions so that it can be safe to be used around buildings, companies, without having any issues of pollution, air pollution, and any other issues that might arise. We also have it being out of scope, and some of the things we can encounter out of scope during the production is that the non-vehicle options will not be considered, non-electric vehicle options will not be considered. So as we all know, most vehicles right now use gas. So when it's around these areas, the non-electric vehicle options might not be considered. And the project might not be handled like post-launch services or support. So we have to add set up like a separate operational team to address these issues. And this is what the project scope and production is all about.
So, as we wrap up our project on Apple Car, let's take a moment to reflect on the key takeaways and opportunities moving forward. First, Apple has strategically focused on addressing significant gaps in the electric vehicle market by offering seamless integration with the ecosystem and a premium, technological driven, and user experience. Apple is positioning itself to meet consumer demands that existing players have overlooked. Innovation in autonomous driving and energy efficiency will undoubtedly give the Apple car a distinct advantage. Next, See Apple's technology strength coming into play. Apple's expertise in artificial intelligence and machine learning, combined with its strong focus on sustainability, sets it apart from the competitors. The Apple Car's integration with iOS and iCloud not only creates a more cohesive user experience but reinforces Apple's reputation for innovation. The project also places a strong emphasis on the sustainable production. Apple's commitment to eco-friendly materials and processes will likely resonate with consumers who prioritize sustainability, reinforcing the leadership in environmental responsible innovation. That said, Apple faces challenges. Entering the market later than the establishing player like Tesla comes with its own set of hurdles. From brand recognition, the automotive industry to technological catch-up. However, the rapid growth, the demand for the premium EVs from and the increasing interest in the autonomous vehicle present strong opportunity for Apple to capture a share of this evolving market. In conclusion, the Apple car project is ambitious, but Apple's strength in innovation, sustainability, and ecosystem integration position it well to overcome challenges and reflect the electric vehicle industry. Thank you.